Welcome. This is why past question literature in English year 2019. Question number 23 says the no the dominant theme is dash. When we talk of theme of any artistic work of art means the central message or lesson, that is the take home biscuit that readers or viewers ought to learn from the work of literature. So here we have option A, on unrequited love, B, loss of opportunity, C, lack of trust, D, insatiable. The correct answer here is B, loss of opportunity, because that is what Mark in this unseen prose experience. So Mark is an object of absence or lack of opportunity. Thank you.